Hi, my name is Harshan Chaturvedi and I am in legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about Kerala High Court grants interim protection from arrest. The court also directed Sultana to cooperate with the investigation and appear before the Lakshadweep police for interrogation as required under section 41A of the CRPC. The Kerala High Court on Thursday granted interim protection for arrest for a week to Aisha Sultana, a filmmaker from Lakshadweep, in the sedition case registered against her. A single bench of Justice Ashok Menon also directed Sultan to cooperate with the investigation and appear before the Lakshadweep police for interrogation as required under section 41A of the CRPC. If after interrogation she is arrested, she shall be released on interim anticipatory bail for a period 1 week. The court said. The court also reserved its judgment in the plea by Sultana seeking anticipatory bail. Last week, the Lakshadweep police and registered an FIR against Sultana on the basis of complaint filed by Bharatiya Janata Party leader who alleged that Sultana had spread false information about the spread of COVID-19 in the islands and that her remarks on a TV show regarding the new Lakshadweep administrator Praful Patel amounted to an anti-national act. The prosecution's allegation was that during the show Sultana stated that the central government had used a bioweapon against the natives of the island. The police therefore issued a notice under 41A of the CRPC to Sultana and directed her to appear at the police headquarters at Kavaratti, Lakshadweep on June 20 for interrogation. Apprehending arrest, the filmmaker moved the High Court for anticipatory bail. Explaining the context of her remarks made during the television program, Sultana's application stated with the appointment of the new administrator, he brought in several new amendments, modifications, and relaxations in the administrator's rules. It is submitted that these actions of the administration have invited tremendous opposition from the native as well as from the people across the globe. Lakshadweep is now seeing an exponential rise in COVID-19 patients. The primitive healthcare system and geography of the area is adding to the number of deaths in the place. It was in the context that the applicant was invited for the discussion, and it was while explaining the sad situation that such remark was alleged made by the applicant. She further submitted that she had absolute no intention for inciting disaffection towards the government and that she had immediately taken to her social media account to explain her stand and apologize for the statements made. It is submitted that the criticism on political matters, candid and honest discussion itself does not constitute an offence of sedition. A charge under section 124 AIPC lies only when the discussion passes the bound of fair criticism and when the natural consequences of such statement will incite rebellion, promote public disorder. Stating that she does not have any other criminal antecedents or means to tamper with evidence influences witness, Sultana prayed that she be granted anticipatory bail. Senior counsel P. Vijay Bhanu, appearing for Sultana, reiterated that the comments were made in the heat of moment during a panel discussion on TV. Another panelist, who is a seasoned politician, latched onto this and made it out to be the crux of her argument when there was not the case. He added. He submitted that the Sultana fears arrest as new reports of persons being remanded on even bailable offences have been circulating widely. The senior counsel also cited that the judgment of the Supreme Court in Vinod Dua versus Union of India, and Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar, which held that the provisions of the 124A can only be applied to acts involving intentions or tendency to create disorder or incite violence with the object of bringing down a lawfully elected government. Thank you.